What is up, YouTube? We are back with another live trading video. Today, getting inside of gold cells. Gonna see overall how it plays out. This is pretty much like a later trade that I would normally take inside of the day. But I did see a sweep that I did like over here above New York highs. So this PM session, I kind of want to see a continuation lower. And overall, I'm just going to see how it's going to play out. I did some pretty low risk on this trade as well, just because it's later on the day. And I don't really have too much on. Got inside as well on my personal account. So yeah, just overall just going to see how the trade plays out here. This is my first live trading video inside of a minute. I haven't really been doing a lot of live trading videos, but I'm like, let me hop on the charts today and just do one, So I also sent this trade out to my Discord, so they got it as well. Hopefully some people got in, and we'll just see how it plays out. All right, we seem to be getting somewhat of a close past this candlestick right here. I entered off of this break of candlestick, but we did wick, and I don't really like when I'm inside of a trade and I enter off a break of candlestick and it wicks like that. But it seems like right now we are breaking lower, but we also have to wait until this candlestick closes for extra confirmation inside of this trade. At a 1-to-1 risk to reward, I am going to move this trade to break even, just because like at a 1-to-1, a lot of the times I move my trades to break even just to secure, let's see how this trade continues to go lower. We had CPI come out today. I did not even pay attention to what CPI said, just because I was at work and came back. I took a nap. CPI had already came out. I was like, I'm not even gonna check it. Alright, so we are actually getting somewhat of a push here. So if we hit this 1-to-1, I will be moving my stop loss to break even on this trade. So let you guys know when that happens, so that you guys can see me move my stop loss to break even. And hopefully the trade hits my final TP. I usually go for a 1-for-2 risk to reward, so see if that does play out today in this post-market play that I'm doing here. I used to go for like really large risk to reward, but then I was like, man, 1-to-1, 1-to-2, like I literally average a 1-to-1 and 1-to-2, and I feel like it's more consistent, which also helps with prop firms. Not even like personal accounts. Personal accounts is like you go for that 1-for-5, 1-for-10, but like prop firm accounts, I don't really like the inconsistency of when I'm trading a prop firm account. It's very annoying when you know that you could do better, but you can't, because the prop firm's rules don't let you trade the way you want to when you're trading high risk to reward, and if you have like a lower win rate, kind of like I used to. So that was something that really annoyed me. But yeah, let's see how this trade plays. Let's see if we hit this 1-to-1. And yeah. Alright guys, I am actually back. Step off the chart just for a little minute. We can see that this trade here is actually going. I already moved my stop loss to break even. So this trade, I'm only targeting a 1-for-2 on this trade. So once it hits that 1-to-2, I'll be fully out of the trade. Pretty small risk. I'm gonna actually, if this hits TP, I'll probably up my risk on these specific accounts, my top sub accounts. Yeah. So let's see if it goes all the way down to this 1-to-2. All in all, though, this is a risk-free trade for me now. So even if it comes down to break even, I'm losing basically nothing except commission, which is like $2 or $10. I forgot. I'm basically just losing commission if it does come back. So see if it goes all the way to full TP. Again, just like explaining why I got inside of this trade was like, we had a sweep above New York session highs in the PM session into an actual supply zone, this 15-minute supply zone, which was right here. We had been kind of, CPI came out, but like we didn't really move that much during the day. So I kind of had this feeling that we would move more during the PM session, which we actually ended up doing a little bit. So I felt like the actual move might have just like came or would come inside the PM session. So let's see though if we go all the way to this 1 for 2, because price is price. Sometimes we come so close and then just reverse all the way to break even. It's like, oh, well, at least I did my thing for the day, like I gotta follow my rules. Well, yeah, sweep entry, 15-minute break of candlestick entry, targeting just like a simple 1 for 2. And yeah, honestly, my model is super simple. Like I feel like nowadays I could just trade it with my eyes closed, because like it's been so many times now that I've been trading this specific model. I sent it out in my Discord as well. If you guys want free signals and also a free course on this exact strategy, just look in the link in the description. It should take you to my Discord and you can join, get all the free signals and everything. And we have a lot of people who follow, and it's just a nice community to learn and get better and all of that too. So honestly, let's just see how this trade continues to play out. Let's see. After this week, I'll probably go for like, soon I'm going for 150K for Top Step, because I already have 100K and I do want 150. Either, I know by the end of this month for sure, I'll get that 150K challenge so that I can have 250K in total funding with Top Step. And so my payouts can at least be like $1,000 to $2,000. So that's gonna be fun. I'll document that too. Do live trades every single day. I trade with that challenge as well. So let's see, this trade goes all the way to TP, and let's see what happens here. Alright guys, so we basically ended off the day almost break even. If we look closely here, at this point we were so close to hitting a 1 for 2. We reversed like 3 ticks away from that 1 for 2 point, and then we went all the way back up and stopped me out at break even, which is okay. Like, break even trades happen. Not even mad about it. It was a very good trade idea and went inside of our favor inside of the first place, so I'm not really going to complain about it too much. On my Top Step account though, since the market specifically has to close early, like at 3 o'clock, I was able to make $140 altogether on both accounts. So still a winning day for me, and technically over all accounts is basically a winning trading day for me. So just going back to why I got inside this trade, I saw the sweep of New York highs at the post-market session, got inside of the trade at the 15-minute break of candlestick, and then decided to hold lower. And then, yeah, this was the result. So that's basically it for this video though. If you guys want to see more live trading videos from me, comment down below and I will make sure to make them for you guys. See you guys in the next video.